Ron Atchison for AutoForge.net, and I've got my good friend Yvan LaCroix in the shop today, and Yvan is going to demonstrate his new 25mm polisher for me. At the same time, he's going to give me his take on a all-in-one. If you don't know what an all-in-one is, it polishes and cleans and protects all in one step.
Exactly.
But DIY does not make an all-in-one. He has developed his own all-in-one. So
bit of a different system, but as efficient, if not more efficient than a traditional all-in-one, and at the same time giving you longer lasting and better protection.
All right.
So I'll explain it as we go.
Yeah, and before we get going, be sure and like and subscribe so that you see all the new videos we're going to be putting out on the DIY polishers.
Yeah, don't forget to hit the notification bell too.
Yeah.
Now, I always like to start with a clean, damp pad. So we'll clean the pad. Back down to speed 2 or 3, and while it's still spinning, we're going to give it a little spray of polish. So the gold standard is sprayed on, and 1 spray is all you need. You don't need 3 or 4 sprays, 1 spray. So this is about the equivalent to everybody else's half gallon of polish, because we're not putting those 3 or 4 drops on
as you can see, it does not require very much.
No. And then from here, machine on speed 2. You can go up to 3 if you want, but 2 is all you need. So even at speed 2, I'm not getting any stalling, not getting anything like that?
No, not at all.
If you'd like to give it a try, sir?
Yeah, sure. We'll give this new machine a whirl. Even if I try and stall it.
Yeah.
There's no stalling. Very nice.
So it has, more than likely, we haven't measured every one, but from an engineering perspective, the heaviest counterweight in the industry, and that heavy rotating mass means that we have that follow through, and we don't have the stalling that you get with a light rotating mass.
Yeah, well, the other thing I noticed on it too is there's not a whole lot of vibration to it.
No, no.
So very nice.
Well balanced, easy to use. The trigger lock is easy to get to. You don't have to fight with it.
I can.
Yeah. And then from there, the all-in-one.
Okay.
So an all-in-one, basically, you polish, you wipe it off. We're going to add one little step to this. So we'll remove the polish residue, and I like to use a rinseless dampened towel because it gives us a little more lubrication.
Right.
And while it's still damp with the rinseless, 1 little spray of ceramic gloss. We take our drying towel, work in the ceramic gloss. Now we have a dry, polished, and protected surface.
So that's the Yvan LaCroix all-in-one.
All-in-one. And if you own a shop, you don't necessarily want to have an all-in-one in your shop because your employee might accidentally grab the all-in-one before doing a ceramic coating. And you don't want an all-in-one before doing a ceramic coating.
Right.
So this eliminates a product in your shop. It eliminates potential error.
Yeah. The other thing that with the gold standard polish that you really didn't touch on is typically when we apply a compound or a polish out of a bottle, we do the pea-sized drop thing, and then we do this to prime the pad. And
exactly.
You don't do any of that with the gold standard. So
not at all.
That saves you a step too.
Saving time, saving steps, and not wasting product. You know, we don't prime the pad. We're not putting, doing this with the pad and polish and getting it all over it.
Right.
The pad washer with either pad washing powder or I use rinseless wash in it, does a great job. We're able to clean the pad, get it just damp. It's not wet, and people have the misconception that the pad is wet. It's just damp.
Right.
There's less than 1 gram of weight in the pad of moisture when we're done.
So we hope you found the video informative. This is Ron Atchison with my good friend Ivan LaCroix for autoforge.net. Be sure and put out your questions or comments. I would like to see them. I'm sure Ivan would too.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching.
See you in the next one.